On the table today, we have the HJC RPHA 90 Darth Vader graphic. If you're not familiar with the HJC RPHA 90 series of helmets, they're constructed using a premium integrated Matrix Plus shell, that's PIM Plus for short. They're going to have an intermediate oval head shape. They're going to come in sizes ranging from extra small up to 2XL with 3 shell sizes and 3 EPS liners. When we threw this one on the scale, it came in at 3 pounds 9 ounces in a medium, and it does carry a DOT safety rating. Now what you're going to see from this, it's a Darth Vader graphic. Enough said. This is for all you Star Trek fans out there. Just kidding with you. We all know this is the nemesis in the film Star Wars, and there's really not much more you can say aside from the fact that within the colors that you're going to see here, there is going to be a metallic finish in the blacks and the grays that you're going to see as it plays from the front to the back. You're going to see this available in one color, and that is the black version you're seeing on the table right now. One clear face shield is included in the box, and if you want to learn more about the HJC RPHA 90 helmet, you can click the info button, head over to RevZilla.com, and once you're there, you can watch the detailed breakdown video where we rip apart the helmet to give you all the facts.